Main reason we're here as well is to see Elton John's star on Hollywood Walk of Fame. We're going to try and find the Backstreet Boys as well, but we'll find those later on today. But here's Elton John's star on Hollywood Walk of Fame, which is just there. So there's Elton John's star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. There it is. Okay, Holly. There we go, next to Elton John. There we go. Yeah. And there's Holly above Elton John's star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Say cheese.
We're in a typical American diner. I think it's called Mel's Diner, or Mel's Drive-In there as well. Mel's Drive-In, Mel's Diner. Really cool. It's got all like little pictures behind all the way around the area of different people in the diners and doing different American stuff. I'll give you a spin around. Ooh, got a Holly with the new sunglasses on.
Wow, they look familiar.
Right, Elton style. Nice, suit you,
I can't see a thing. So I've got my glasses on. Oh well.
Well, I'm looking like a tourist.
And then we've got Ben. And then we've got all these pictures here. Look. You can actually see them properly.
As you know, I always do my Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonation here on this channel, and here he is, the star of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, we're in Hollywood, just off the Walk of Fame. I've just had a settler's tums for my indigestion, and now Ben is going to have a sour power from this shop here. Are you ready?
It's not going to be sour. It's not going to be sour. Watch.
Let's see.
Sours in Hollywood, Ben.
Flavour.
Sour, Ben.
Oh well.
It's got a sour aftertaste.
Sure?
Sure.
I've just had indigestion down
Ben's
there.
immune to sour now.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the all free. Lord, forgive me.
So this is the Griffith Observatory, and we're at the top. The top, look at this. Look at that. It would be even better if I just show you full length. Watch this. So this is the top of the Griffith Observatory. Well, actually the top of the Griffith Observatory, because that is the top of the Griffith Observatory, which we're not allowed to actually. Although there's some handles to get up there. But this is the cracking view that you get all across there. A bit blurry. There we go, see if we can do that. There we go, instant horizon. Look at that. So that thick cloud cover there as well runs all the way across there. Wow, fantastic stuff. So that's the big telescope there, another big telescope over there as well. which we'll go in and we'll see more in a couple of seconds. Barney's Beanery again. We're loving it, absolutely love it. And we're down inside, down the stairs to the back. I didn't know this place actually existed because I just thought it was down to the front where we were before.
Last time we were here, but yeah, it's really cool. It's down here. It's a bit like at home. It reminds me a little bit of an American-fied Frankie and Benny's, but more exciting, really. It's like loads of booths and like number plates, TVs and sport on, surfboards, motorbike above there. There's games on the other level up there. There's a bit like basketball.
Oh yeah, I'll go show.
Yeah, it's really cool. I just can't decide to have burger or pizza. I normally have a chicken Caesar salad in here, but I did have one yesterday in downtown. So I might, none of us have ever tried a pizza here, have we? So I might try Johnny's favourite. What's his favourite? I might like it. Or burger, Cali burger. I'm going to ask what the crust is like, see if it's thin enough. I don't like thick crust, so that might have it inside. The Dodgers are on TV. We were there last night.
There's the Dodgers playing. They won last night, of course. We were there. We got the whole action on screen. I've already decided, Ben's decided what he's having as well, so we're going to go for the DBC burger with fries, seasoned fries. Should be a good one as well. Looking forward to it. Who remembers Friends with foosball? Oh yeah, it's on. You ready?
Yeah, my
You
black
Joey or
one.
Chandler?
I'll be Chandler.
I'll be Joey.
Come on, Joey.
You ready? Here we go.
How's Pac-Man going, Ben? No time to talk. Stressful time, Dave.